typing ls will get us a list of the files and directories we have in the current directory. There are lots of options. We can type ls space -- help and get a detailed list of all options we have when using the ls command. For example, we can type ls space -a in order to get all files and all directories, including the hidden ones. We can type ls space -l in order to get detailed information about each one of the directories and files. We can type ls space -1 in order to get the names separated, each line with one name only, and so on.